All right. Now that we have gone through this, we'll go to straight to Apple, the first one. In our previous podcast, we said that Apple was printing a headstand or inverse head and shoulder, with the head being printed on 19th of April, right hand shoulder on the 30th of April, and left hand shoulder on the 10th of April. The swing high between the head and the left shoulder was printed on the 12th of April, and the swing high between the head and the right shoulder was printed on 19th of April. And joining these two swing highs, we got the neckline, and we drew a vertical segment from the neckline to the head and copied that once it crosses the neckline by 1 pip to have the target. We got our target on 15th of May, and this target, if I use this scale for a moment to measure from here to here, is 1282 points if you are trading 100 shares, which is equivalent to $1,282 if you are trading with mini lot of $1 per point for 100 shares. Okay, so that was Apple, which hit the target. Now I will show you the other two, which is what is happening on dollar index as well as in Facebook. So we'll go to US dollar basket, which is also known as dollar index, and we discussed this dollar index when the head was printed on 16th of April, right shoulder on 1st of May, and left shoulder on 2nd of April. Between the head and the left shoulder, swing low was printed on 9th of April, and between the head and the right shoulder, the swing low was plotted by price on 26th of April. We joined this swing low to swing low. This is a normal head and shoulder. So we joined this swing low to the swing low to get a class A head and shoulder, and we dropped a segment from here to here, from the head to the neckline. We copied this and pasted it when price crossed the neckline for the target to be reached at 10,362 or 103.62, depending on the broker how they are quoting. So that was 195 points. It came very close. It came to 189.5 pips. Now we are thinking to close this trade at whatever profit we have. The neckline was from here to here. So now we have 100 points profit. So if you are trading a standard lot, so that is $1,000. Why we are thinking to do that? We have not done it because we don't want to see the swing high to swing high are broken. So this swing high to this swing high is broken. This swing high to this swing high is also broken. So these two lines are broken. These two lines, our trend lines, are broken. We have a specific rule of 4. If that happens, we'll be closing the trade here at around this point with a profit of around $1,000, as I showed you. We expected more, but we do not control price. Price can and will do whatever it does. Our job is not to control price. No one can control price. Even the Reserve Bank or the Fed of any country cannot control the price. So we respect price. If we see something happening opposite, then we'll close the trade after this high is taken out. So the next one is the Facebook. That will be the last one for today. We'll go to Facebook, which is also known as Meta platform. And this was not a very good one. We didn't like it, but any which way, technically it was a head and shoulder crude one, very crude one, because this one is a news driven bar or a candle. which is an outside bar. In bar terminology, this is an outside bar. And then we saw a harami in the candlestick terminology and a morning star here on the candlestick. So we thought, why not? So this was the head, which was a swing low, and this was the right shoulder, which is a swing low again, plotted on 1st of May. And the left shoulder was here between the head and the left shoulder. Because this is an outside bar, it is also a swing high. Technically not a good formation, but any which way, whatever, we need to respect price. So between the head and the right shoulder, we had a swing high. We joined this swing high to get the neckline. And now the most important line, price actually did move a little bit from this, when the high of this taken out. It moved 3,447 points for 100 shares, equivalent to 3,447, and then printed a dark cloud cover. But now what is we are not liking is is a possible break of this line, which is joined from the head to the right shoulder. Not yet done. If our rule of 4 and happening, and then it is closing below and low taken out, then possibly we'll be closing the trade here, maybe with $1,000 around here, which is around 1,200. If the 1,200 or 100, 1,000 for 100 shares. So all the three instruments, dollar index, Apple, and dollar index, Apple, and the Facebook actually generated quite a big profit, and Apple actually hit the target, and dollar index was very close to hit the target. And with that, we'll be closing today's podcast. We'll be bringing you more. Thank you for turning in today's podcast. If our price analysis is helping you hit those profit targets which we are discussing, and you are ready to take your trading skills to the next level, it's time to join our trader development program. Don't wait. Seize the opportunity to transform your trading journey. Contact us today at info@npfinancials.com.au or give us a call at 0397906476. Let's turn your trading dreams into reality. Happy trading. Bye for now.